Welcome back to our website. On the homepage, you can explore different sections designed to make learning more engaging. Now, let's click on the courses link. On the courses page, you'll see that all the courses are divided into different categories, like Foundational Math, Advanced Math, Programming and Computer Science, and Science. Inside each course, you'll find an interactive map that visually shows your learning journey. Each map is organized into levels, and inside every level, you'll discover lessons that guide you step by step through the topic. Now, let's take a look at the DSA, Data Structures and Algorithms course. When we open it, we can see an interactive roadmap that visually connects all the topics. Each level covers important concepts like arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues, explained step by step. This helps learners build a strong foundation in DSA by moving from simple to slightly advanced data structures in an easy, visual manner. Next, let's open the linked list operations lesson. Inside the lesson, you'll first see the lesson name along with a short description that introduces the topic. When we click the Continue button, it takes us to the next section, where we can see how linked lists connect to real-life examples to make the concept easier to visualize. After that, there's a quiz related to the traversal operation. When you select the correct option, you'll also get a clear explanation of the answer by clicking the Wise button. This helps you not only know the right answer, but also understand the reasoning behind it. Again, by clicking the Continue button, we can move to the next sections of the lesson. One of the key features in our courses is the code visualizer. On the left side, you'll see a code editor, and on the right side, there's a visualizer that shows how the code executes step by step. When we click the Run button, the code runs, and at the same time, you can see the visualization of how it works in real time. You can also adjust the layout by clicking the horizontal or vertical buttons and zoom in or zoom out to clearly see all the nodes. You can also edit the code directly inside the code editor. After editing, when you click the Run button, the visualizer on the right side updates automatically to reflect the changes you've made. This allows you to experiment with different scenarios and instantly see how your code behaves, making learning interactive and much more effective. By clicking the Continue buttons, we can explore more interactive sections and see real-world examples that connect concepts to everyday scenarios. After going through all the sections, click the Finish button to complete the lesson. Similarly, you can explore the remaining lessons in the course at your own pace and continue learning step by step. That's how our interactive courses work, with real-world examples, visualizations, and quizzes that make learning fun and easy. Each course has multiple lessons and interactive quizzes, so you can learn anytime at your own pace.